we'd like to welcome you to Minneapolis-St. Paul, where the local time is 1:05. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your carry-on luggage stowed until the captain has brought the aircraft to a complete and final stop at the gate area. If you'd like to use your cell phones or any other handheld electronic devices at this time, feel free to do so. However, your laptop computers must remain turned off and stowed. On behalf of Delta Airlines, especially your New York-based flight attendants, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. We do appreciate your business. We hope to see you again on another Delta flight soon. We invite you to visit our website, delta.com. We welcome your comments and suggestions. Also, if you're making a connecting flight, please check with the uniformed Delta agent that will be meeting this flight at the top of the jetway. Thank you. Good day.